Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dirty Dave's Garage. Today, doing something a little different. Working on my Glock G19. Very common handgun. Been doing some upgrades to it. I'll make some other videos to tell you about those. But today I just want to go over something pretty simple, a quick way to take your slide off your Glock. Because that's something I always forget because I got so many different handguns. Every one of them is different for the takedown process. For the Glock, and this works pretty much for all of them as far as I know, you're basically going to grab the gun, like in your firing hand, and then move your hand up over top like this in front of the rear sights. Pull back on it just a little bit. You'll hear a click probably. Pull both of the slides down. There's one here, and there's one exactly opposite these removal latches, and then let go. And then squeeze the trigger. Oh, I forgot to say, I did clear the gun. The gun is empty. So again, grab the gun right behind the rear sights, pull back just a little bit, pull down both of those latches, let go, squeeze the trigger. Now the slide will come right off. And that's how you take it apart and get it cleaned. A full quick field strip. You want to pop out the recoil spring and then pop out the barrel. And then you can go about your cleaning or changing your sights out or whatever you want to do. Well, I hope this was helpful and look forward to some more videos for this topic on Dirty Dave's Garage. We'll see y'all soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.